My name is Alexander Polakiewicz. I'm 39 years old, and I work at TMD Friction on the development of friction products for commercial vehicles. I'm a vehicle mechanic. A few years ago, I went back to school for advanced training to become a certified technician in automotive technology. After that, I worked as a race mechanic in professional motorsport for about 2 years, before returning to TMD Friction in February 2013.
Februar 2013 wieder zurück zu TMD Friction gekommen bin.
Today, I'm responsible for the planning, organization, realization and evaluation of vehicle and dynamometer testing. In addition to that, I support the research and development department in many other areas. The working environment in the team is fantastic. We all get along well with each other. We have a lot of fun and laugh a lot without forgetting our responsibilities. I feel that everyone identifies with the product and the results that we strive for. We don't just do it because it's our job, but because we want to make a difference, because it's fun to produce something valuable. We constantly develop our materials regardless of customer demands, so that we comply with all existing requirements even better than before. Being part of product development does make me proud. Our products are used by leading vehicle manufacturers all around the globe. So we're not just one amongst many, we're one of the industry leaders. At Rossfeld, we simulate the worst case, meaning the very worst conditions that could occur. We want to simulate the extreme in order to see whether our materials work well even under such conditions. That's why I'm quite excited about tomorrow. It's day one of the Rossfeld test. During this test, the brake pads will reach high temperatures by recurrent decelerations. That's how we can determine whether they're able to resist such severe conditions. The street slopes approximately 10% over a distance of more than 10 kilometers, and I repeatedly decelerate the truck from 35 to 25 km/h. The load in this test is extremely high. It cannot be compared to an everyday load. Right now, I have to pay attention simultaneously to temperatures at the brakes, speed, deceleration, as well as to brake pressures. Currently, I'm a bit tense because I have to keep an eye on everything, especially in this sector. There are many curves. At any time, cars, trucks, buses or tractors, which are also very large, may pass by, and we should not stop because this would distort the test results. The brake disc temperatures have now reached between 900 and 1,000 degrees. This high temperature will cause the brake disc to glow red hot. The test has been completed, and so far everything has worked out well. Now I'll have to remove the brake pads to see if they match the flawless test. That would then be a very successful test.
Okay, dann kommen wir zur...
Finally, we come to the evaluation of the brake pads. At first glance, they look really good. This surface is fairly homogeneous with only a little edge crumbling. However, this is quite normal for this extreme test. The pad sits firmly on the back plate and there's no edge lifting. All in all, this is a very good test result. Now I only need to reassemble the brake and then I'll drive home, and I'm already looking forward to reporting on the excellent test result to the team.